Translator glasses?
Yes, you can ask this teacher. Finish.
All right, go.
这副眼镜是成都高新区的成都的企业制作的。
Oh, it says sorry it didn't work, bro.
I don't know who in the State Department needs to hear this, but go bring Speed back. No, not because the brother's doing anything wrong. For us American citizens, Chinese citizens, this is great. Beautiful stuff. We get to see Speed, YouTuber, personality in his element, showing us what the other side of the world is like. But if you're in the State Department, go get that brother. He is ruining years of propaganda. It's bad enough the Red Note app already destabilized it. But I'm in my politician bag now. I've been promising y'all lately, I'm going to speak realistic about politics. I'm going to talk to y'all the same way Marco Rubio would talk to y'all, except I will tell the truth and I will muddy it up and try to, use just language that kind of like distracts you from the truth. Right? You know what I'm trying to say? I'm going to speak bluntly. Let me channel my inner Marco Rubio. We cannot have Speed doing this. We can't, because we need the propaganda, folks. How do you expect us to keep this American imperial empire going? Right? And then watch this. Speed also shows another form of technology up there in China that they had going on. You see, bro had the whip doing the 360 with no hands. Sound like a Jadakiss or a Fabulous punchline. All right. So as you can see, perfect personality. Wait, guys, we can't afford this. We got to keep the America's first. America's the greatest propaganda going. Go get Speed. Bring them back. Now, to the rest of you, we're not war hawks. Can I have a serious conversation with y'all? I'm out of here. We really need to start holding our politicians and really start telling them straight up, like, yo, listen, we not fooled, bro. We not fooled anymore. We starting to look like what people internationally was joking about us, right? Third world country with a Gucci belt on. Every time somebody go to another country, another modernized competitive country, infrastructure, developments, technology, healthcare. What's the word? What's the word? Okay, because I'm just saying.
This man is doing God's work. In just 6 hours, he eliminated all Western media propaganda about China. Who is this man and why is he in China?
I am about to be the first person to backflip off the Great Wall of China. Are y'all ready? Let's go! Countdown from 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Great Wall of China!
The 20-year-old YouTuber and streamer known as Speed, with his 37 million followers, has unexpectedly become a digital ambassador for China through his unfiltered, chaotic, and high-energy exploration of the country, an energy he exudes across all of his live streams. In just 6 hours of streaming from Shanghai, he drew an astonishing 5.6 million viewers and tens of thousands of comments. From a high-speed ride in the Xiaomi SU7 Ultra to playing table tennis with Jackson Wang and experiencing a Bianlian performance, fans flocked towards him everywhere. As he moved towards the capital Beijing, practiced Shaolin Kung Fu in Henan, and delved into local Chengdu culture, Speed emerged as a cultural bridge, sharing an unfiltered, nuanced, and vibrant glimpse into modern China. His content has even sparked the Chinese embassy and government's interest, explicitly praising his cultural impact. Speed just concluded his 6-hour stream in the cyberpunk city of Chongqing and will continue in Hong Kong.
The amount of love Speed is getting in China is crazy. It is so crazy that some people on Chinese side of TikTok are saying they have not loved anyone this much who is not Chinese. And also because they are used to white media always painting China as the people that eat the dogs, the people that eat the cats, the people that produce the bird flu, and they are bad people. And they don't like your Americans. Now here is Speed literally debunking every lie white media has told about China.
This is Chongqing, baby! Let's go! Come on! This is Chongqing! This is it. W's in the chat. This is Cyber City. Cyber City, baby.
iShowSpeed just brought China and America closer than it's ever been by recreating this scene from Karate Kid with the original actors outside of this one. Get him, Speed, get him. No, Speed, no. So if you didn't know, iShowSpeed's over in China, and he met up with the original girl and the original bully from Karate Kid. That would be this Karate Kid with Jaden Smith and Jackie Chan, who he hopes to meet up with. Jackie Chan, not Jaden Smith. So they get the original bully from Karate Kid, who's all grown up now, and he and iShowSpeed go through a scene from the movie, which, let's face it, iShowSpeed needs to be in movies, because this is a masterclass in acting. And where's this guy been? Because he's incredible. He was also the first streamer to ever backflip on the Great Wall of China, well, streamer of his quality. They're making whole murals for him, and the Chinese government is expanding visas to foreigners because of iShowSpeed. This hero, I would call him a legend. He's not passed away. I would call him the greatest streamer of all time, but you already knew it. This hero has done more for the Chinese-American relationship than anyone else. Heck, there was news channels that had millions of people. We're talking 3 million people at one time watching a news channel because they were reporting him live. W's in chat for iShowSpeed.
Chinese people are loving Speed. Chinese people are showing a lot of ladies and gentlemen, let's get into it because people's reactions are just melting my heart.
An influential US YouTuber iShowSpeed's live streams accidentally smashed some media's anti-China propaganda.
Yo, chat, I got a 10-year visa on my passport.
Speed being recognized by the Chinese government has to be proof that this world that we live in is not fucking real. You're telling me bro got positive social credits just for stepping foot on China and filming there? Yo, what other streamer can do this shit? What other streamer receives praise from my boy Xi Jinping himself?
我这几天都在看他的东西啊，他叫 Speed， 很有名啊，哇，几百万人在上面看，然后呢，我看的时候已经是几百万人，将近500-600万人，然后底下留言都是英文，他说。他一个人在这边1个小时，已经超越所有西方媒体了。让我们看到真的中国，没有办法再去掩瞒，再去丑化。
The 20-year-old popular American YouTuber, Shark iShowSpeed, who kicked off a journey in China that has already garnered massive global attention, which indicates a broader trend of digital influencers, bridging cultural gaps, and creating alternative channels for foreign audiences to understand a vibrant China. Has ended up getting praised by the Chinese government for promoting positive relations between China and the United States, with even which has bring some to his America fans doubting him of getting paid by the Chinese government to promote his work in the Chinese country,